What's up, guys? Hey, do you want to know how to turn your customer into a lifetime client? What I mean by client is somebody who keeps calling you every year, doesn't use you one time, and then the next time they need a service, they call somebody else. They just kind of flip through, okay? Because they don't remember you, or they didn't like you. In this video, I'm going to teach you 6 steps to help you retain that customer. Small things, but very, very powerful. Every year that goes by, your business will grow. Listen, way too many times I hear of situations to where businesses start up, they go 100% that first year, and by the second year, they kind of just give up. They say small businesses are either going to succeed or fail, but you know within the first 4 years of doing business. 4 years seems like a long time, but when you're doing business, it goes really quick. 6 steps. Not one magic step to get those customers to call you year after year. Man, there's a formula, and I'm about to share it. First step, presentation. Come on. It seems obvious, but way too many times I see people out there while I'm driving around, other people in the same industry. It's not looking good, guys. So you got to separate yourself from your everyday life when you go ahead and you hop in that van to go to work, okay? Who cares about how you like to dress, what you feel comfortable in? Okay, if you want to succeed, you just have to be professional. You do not want to do this.
Oh, hi, good morning.
Yeah, so we're here to do your carpets. Guys, come on. You wonder why people don't call you every year, right? You wonder why maybe they remember you, but they don't remember you for all the good reasons, okay? You have to win somebody's trust. So professionalism is number 1 in this business. You wanna present yourself professional. So no flip-flops, no tank tops. Okay, collared shirts, you know, a pair of pants that look decent. It could be that simple. You want to be more like this.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, Brenda.
Yes.
My name's Tommy. I'm Green Rhino. Here to clean the carpets today. So, let's see what we're doing.
All right.
So notice I introduced myself. Okay, I stood a little away from the door. I wasn't all up in their face. I remembered their name. I always mean to do that before I go up to the door. I look at the work order. I personally use their first name. So whatever their name is, I say, hey, you're Brenda in this case. So that kind of builds a rapport with the customer immediately. So you remember their name. And one thing about people's skills is when you can remember people's name, it goes a long way, okay? So whether you want to call them Mrs., their last name, or Mr., their last name, or just their first name, that's your choice, but just remembering their name and using it. So when you're out and about, working around the house, and you have a question, I always remember to call them by their name. So building a relationship with your customers right from the get-go. So first impressions mean a million. All right, so building up some conversation, you know? You see something that you like, give them a compliment on it. Not like this. All right, so let's see what we're doing. Nice place. Wow. Oh, so you like wine? Love wine. Matter of fact, I'm a little hungover right now, but I'm good. Don't worry about it. So how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Really? You look good. More like this. All right, let's see what we're doing today. Nice home you guys have.
Well, thank you.
Okay, so the room's back here. Listen, people like people who like them. So when you're noticing little things that you can actually relate to or you can appreciate and you bring it up, bring it up. But guys, be careful. Don't turn that conversation into a 15-minute conversation, okay? A little bit of small talk and then get to work. Next, hugely important thing is corner guards. If you're walking into a customer's home and you're working in there, what you want to do is make sure you protect their home with your life if you have to. Kind of like this. Not that kind of corner guard. This kind of corner guard. All right, so what I'm saying is protecting the customer's home. So floor protection. So if you're walking in and out of a customer's home and you want to put down some floor protection, or if you're doing upholstery and you're putting floor protection around the couches or wherever you're working, corner guards, maybe a floor mat to where you're wiping your feet off in and out of the rooms. All that also goes across millions for impressions. Okay, impressing the customers because you care about their home enough to do these little things that, hey, other guys are not doing a lot of the times. So another thing I do is when I'm done with the job, I'll actually mop my way out. So I got a flat mop, a little spray bottle, spray it, mist it, mop my way out, get rid of the footprints. Goes a long ways with your customers, okay? Hugely. A lot of times they'll say, oh, I'll do that myself, but the fact that you went ahead and just did it goes a long ways. You're gonna retain these customers, guys. You're gonna retain at least 50% of your customers doing these little things. So last, letting your customer know that if they see anything that they have any questions or concerns about, don't hesitate to call you. Let them know that before you leave the house. I mean, that goes a long ways too, guys. If they recognize the spot after you leave and they just don't want to call you because it's kind of an awkward moment, so they never call you, guess what? They're never gonna call you. They're gonna call somebody else, okay? So open that door for communication. Let them know before you leave if there's any questions or concerns. Give you a call, you'll rush right back over and address it, no problem. And say that with a smile, guys. And you know what? That, even if they do have to call you back and you reply right away and you rush over there and you take care of that business, you're gonna keep that customer. So if you do all the things I said in this video, you are gonna convert your customers into clients, which means your business every year that goes by will grow stronger and stronger and stronger, and you'll have more and more jobs, okay, to the point that eventually you won't hardly ever have to advertise. Every year that goes by, you can gain so much revenue, and it's just going to keep stacking on top of each other every year that goes by because you keep retaining your customers. Every year that goes by, every year that goes by, who are they going to call? They're going to call you. This is the magic formula, guys, and I'm sharing it with you. And if you appreciate this video, I'd appreciate you if you go ahead and liked it, comment and say, hey, I like your video. This helps with the algorithm, guys. YouTube kind of pushes it out there when you have a little bit of, activity on that channel. So guys, that's it. It's not rocket science,
Final space station crew compartment that brings a bay.
but it does take a little bit of initiative. And guess what? Stay tuned for the next one.